Hello everyone, it's Ivan Santiago again, your Central Florida Realtor. I'm here on location in the community of Kindred. This community is located in Kissimmee, right on the border of St. Cloud and Kissimmee, right off of Neptune Rd. We're looking at today another floor plan from the builder DR Horton. This one's actually their regular series, not the Express series. And I've shown you this model before, but this is a different elevation. And so we're here, so we might as well just take a quick swing. Let's see what it looks like. This is the Cali. It is an 1,800 plus square foot home. Let's take a look. As stated earlier, this is a model that I did show you in the past, but that model was actually the main model where there was like an office in the garage. So this one, it's decorated a little bit differently, and there were a few minor things that may give you a better idea of what this home feels like when it's not the actual office home model. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please make sure, as always, leave a comment below. Let me know what you're thinking. Like and subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, and my information is down below. I would love to help your family with all of your real estate needs, whether it's buying, selling, especially relocating. That can be a ton of stress. So let me help you and let me be your resource. I hope you are well, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.